Hi boys and girls, today we're going to make homemade butter and biscuits. And this will be our last KidStir until September. So watch our Facebook page so you will know when it starts. September the 8th, and it will be at 4 o'clock, so it'll be after you're in school. So, okay, today you're going to make the butter, and all you need for the butter, we've got a glass jar. You do need a glass jar. And you fill it halfway full of whipping cream. And this is what your whipping cream looks like. This is just a small container. I had this little one at home. What we will give you is your jar, and it will have the right amount of whipping cream in there. And all you have to do when you get it at home is start shaking it to form your butter. And it takes 6 minutes to get it to form butter. So I'm going over here and set the timer, and we're going to start shaking to make our homemade butter. Okay, boys, our butter is still being shaken. And now we're going to stir up our biscuits. You will get a recipe for the biscuits in your bag, but we will give you enough to make half the recipe. So if you cut it in half, you will get 7/8 of enriched self-rising flour. So not all-purpose flour, you need self-rising flour. And you need a half a cup, and this is a half a cup, of whipping cream. So we will give you also a half a cup of whipping cream. And all you have to do is put that in your bowl, stir it up real good, get it mixed good, take it out with your hands, make sure your hands are good and clean, lay it on a breadboard, put some flour on the bottom of it, and roll it out with your rolling pin. You roll it out as thick as you want your biscuits to be. Okay, if you want a nice thin biscuit, then it will be a thinner biscuit. If you want a thicker biscuit, leave it a little thicker. And all you need then is a cookie cutter. Now I know all of you have cookie cutters. And if you don't, take the top of a glass, put a little bit of flour on it, and cut it out. Put your biscuits, once you get them all cut out, put them on a baking sheet, put them in the oven, and bake them at 375 until they're brown. So depending on your oven, just watch them. It takes, I think, around 10 minutes for them to bake, maybe a little bit longer. But then you have your butter and biscuits. But in your bag, you will get one biscuit in there to try to see if you like the biscuits. But you will also get the ingredients to make your own. So hope you enjoy doing this and enjoy your butter and biscuits. Okay, boys and girls, here is your butter. You can see what it looks like. Spread it on your biscuit, and it's really good. Took about 8 minutes, so give it 2 more minutes than what I told you, okay? Oops.